Okay, so remember a couple weeks ago we learned about multiplication. Okay, and let me give you an example. Multiplication was what? 3 times 5. Okay, and then in order for us to do this, we had to do what? We did a representation using groups, right? What are we going to do to represent that? How can we do it?
3 circles.
3 circles. Okay, so 3 groups. How many are in the group?
5.
5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what do we have to do to find a total?
Contarlo.
Okay,
Count all of
contarlos.
them.
Okay, count all of them, and we get what?
15.
We get 15, right? Agarramos 15. No está bien. So agarramos 15. So ahora ya sabemos cómo hacer esto. So we already know. It's okay. I know. We already know how to do this, right? So now we're gonna learn a little something different, something that goes with this. Okay, we're gonna learn a little bit about division, and this is the vocabulary that we need to know. Okay, so this big number right here, that used to be our total in multiplication, is now gonna be at the beginning, and it's gonna be called the dividend. Okay, this right here is the symbol we're gonna use. This is the symbol we're gonna use. Okay, the division sign. This division sign is now separating this, okay? That's how I think it. I think about it about dividing because look, it has that little line and it has 2 little dots.
Yeah.
So this is a division symbol. In the 7 is the divisor. Okay? And then we have here the quotient. The total is called the quotient. This is part of the total of this, right? So this is called the dividend. Say it.
Dividend.
The symbol sign. The division sign. Divisor. And then we have the quotient. Okay? So we can see it this way. This is one way at looking at it. But there's another way. And this one, I look at it like a house. Okay? So this is the dividend, the big number. The divisor, what we're dividing it with. And then we have the quotient. Right? Our answer, right? So we can look at this like a little house. And this one is just, when you're using bigger numbers, it's more easy to organize them. Okay? Es más fácil para organizarlo and to do it. Okay? But we see it this way and then we see it this way. Okay? So you have these 2 ways of doing it. Okay? So when we were doing this, remember? Now, when we are dividing, we're going to get... Okay, let's do one. Let's do what we just did. 15, 3 times 5. Okay, we did the groups, right? But now dividing
is 15 times.
It's 15 divided by 3 equals. We don't know that yet. Let's just say we don't know it. How are we going to find that? How can we represent that in a visual? Now we're gonna have 15. Let's put 15 anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15. But now we need to put them in equal groups of 3. So let's count 3. 1, 2, 3, and then put a circle. 1, 2, 3, and then put a circle. 1, 2, 3, and put a circle. 2, 3, and put a circle. 1, 2, 3, and put a... Did they go into there equally? Yes. How many times? 5, right? Doesn't this look the same?
Yes.
Okay, so multiplication and division, just like subtraction and addition, are fact families.
It's like
It's the same thing, right?
Switch.
Okay, so if we have 3 times 5 and 15 divided by 5, they have the same numbers. Let's draw a square for 5, a circle for 3, and what do we do with this one? Let's do a triangle. Good, yeah. Right? A triangle, because you get to see. They all match, right? So, it is a fact family. So then we have 3 times 5. What is the other multiplication that we can use?
5 times.
5 times 3 equals. Okay. And then what are we going to do to divide? So what's the first number?
15 times.
15? What is that number called? 15
divided by
times?
3.
15 divided. What is this number called? The dividend.
Dividend.
Dividend. What are we going to put here?
The divisor.
The divisor. What is the divisor? What can be one divisor?
3.
3. What would be our quotient?
15.
5. Let's do it again. So we put our dividend. What can be our divisor?
5.
And what can be our quotient? 3. Okay? So we did that, okay? So we did groups. Let's do one more example. So we can, I'm going to have y'all do it. Okay? So let's have 12, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the way I'm going to do it to find my quotient, okay? Right here I have my dividends. And how many, my divisors, how many are going to be in each group?
4.
So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many groups did I make? 3. That's our quotient. You want to do one more before we do one by ourselves?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one more. Okay, let's do, give me a number, not too big.
12.
12, okay. Divided by, let's do
2. 6.
2.
4.
4? Okay, let's do 4. Let's just do 4. Okay, so let's count. So what are we going to put? We're going to put 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? That is our quotient. That is our dividend, right? So how many are going to be in each group?
4.
4. So we're going to count 4 and then put a circle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did they go in there equally?
Yes.
How many times?
3.
That is our quotient. Can we do that? Okay. Do
That's
you remember our vocabulary?
vocabulary.
Let's do this again. What is this one called? The dividend, right? What is this one called? Divisor. Quotient. Quociente. And this is the division sign, and this is the symbol, the equal sign, right? Okay, so I'm going to give y'all each a board. And I'm going to put the over here, and you're going to tell me. I know, we had stuff written, I'm sorry. Okay, let's do 14 divided by
Good one.
2.
Okay.
So let's do that one. So I have my dividend.
No sirve el marcador.
Here, can you see? We have my symbol, my division symbol, and I have my divisor. Okay, we need to find our quotient. How are we going to do that? Don't shout out the answer, okay? Just put it on your board. Okay? No, you don't have to flip it. Okay, what did everyone get?
7.
Did you get 7 too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Everyone got 7. Okay, what did we do? We did 14, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we needed to put how many in each group?
2.
So we have to count 2. I have 2 there, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here.
Where's the other 2? There's one
Oh,
right
they're
there.
over here.
Aquí solo hay uno.
No, there's some. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, so now we have what? So now we divided. So what if we were multiplying? How would that look? How many groups do I have?
7.
7. How many are in the group?
Divided by
No,
2.
we're multiplying. We have 7. We're going to do the multiplication one. We have 7 groups of how many? How many are in each group?
2.
2.
2.
And then our total was what?
14.
So that's how they go together, like fat families. Okay, you think we got it? Okay. You think you remember what they were? So what is this? What is this called?
A dividend.
This is
Divisor.
the divisor quotient.
Quotient.
Okay,
Potion. Like a potion.
like a potion.